How to hide one friend in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video we are going to be discussing on how we can hide one single friend on Facebook. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if there is a specific friend on your Facebook friends list and you don't want other people to see it, then there's actually a couple of things that you can do. The very first thing you have to do is you can actually make your entire friends list private, because Facebook doesn't allow you to go in and hide only one specific friend. The only thing you can do is either choose to hide all of your friends list or simply choose to show them all, only show them to some specific people, right? So if you don't want other people to actually view this one specific friend, tap on the three lines icon over here, then go to option called settings and privacy, go to the privacy shortcuts tab, and then go to see more privacy settings, scroll and then look for the option called how people can find and contact you. Once I tap on how people can find and contact you, over here you can see who can see your friends list. Currently it's set to only me, so you want to make sure to set it this to only me. So basically when you set it to only me, no one else will be able to view your friends list even if they are your friend. Now the other thing that you can do is, if you don't want other person to know that you're friends with a specific person but you want to still talk to them, right, you can actually do that. And that is that if I open the messenger application over here, or currently let me open a messenger, and then you can see I'm actually talking to this person, right? But if I go ahead and then just open their profile, you can see that I'm not actually friends with them because I've only requested a friend request, but I can still message them. I can only also view their story if they've allowed it in the messenger app itself. So basically you don't necessarily need to be friends on Facebook. As long as you want to talk to them, you should be able to do it by customizing few of your privacy settings. And this is simply how you can hide one friend on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.